So do you know you
The
can create
children's fees
this
are overdue.
exact video, this animated video
I
for
said I'll
free?
handle it.
No Grok subscription, no Flow subscription, nothing. Just
How did
free
I
AI
become a
tools.
stranger
I'm going to be showing you how we did it. So
in
we're
a
going to be
life we
creating
built
a
together?
story from scratch, right? And I'm going to be showing you how you can do it. So I gave ChatGPT my idea. So so I said I want a story about two friends. Yeah, you can read that on your screen. So it gave me this description, and yeah. So the first thing we want to do, we have our script already, so we have to copy it to our notes. So the next thing we want to do now is we want to generate image. So we go to Flow because generating pictures on Flow is free. At least you can still generate more pictures than video on Flow. So we copy our first prompt as our image prompt. So and make sure you also tell ChatGPT to create your prompt for you. So we go to Flow, Google Flow AI, Google Lab FX, voila. So we paste our idea there and we allow it to generate. So you wait for it to generate. Can you see? So we have to save this. So let's save this. So we already saved that. So I think it should be in the picture. So we're going to save this. We already save our image. So the next thing we want to do is we want to generate our video now. This is where the real work is. So we go to the tools we are going to be using to generate our video is YouTube. The same YouTube you are using to watch me. That's what we're going to be using. So let's go to YouTube, the YouTube app. So you see this plus sign, that plus that like plus sign that will show like short video and you click on that. Then this plus sign that looks like star, you click on it. And you see different video, create video, make me move photos to videos. So you create on create to video. Then you import that picture that we created on Flow, Google Flow. Then now back to our script. Now what do we want to do here? Yeah, you have to be very, very logical. You have to be very, very creative. What we are doing right here is we want to make our videos, sorry, we want to make our pictures talk. Now that's why I want to use YouTube. So what we just have to do is the thing is I created another image because I want two boys to show in the video. The one we created earlier was just one. So I created another one. You follow the same step and create whatever you want to do. Just be creative, explore the whole thing. So now this is where the work begins. So copy the script where it says, "I, my name is David. I, my name is today. Why are you sitting alone?" You copy it out. Then we go back to YouTube. So yeah, you don't have to just copy it and send to AI and be like, "Hey, I will do it." Thing. No, you need to tell AI what to do. This is what I want. I want it this week. So now this is how I want it. So I know David, so that will not confuse AI. So this is the trick I used to use all the time. I tell AI just to describe because David is the rich boy. So we say the rich boy, then Tunde is the poor looking boy. The rich looking boy. Looking boy. Okay, let's do it this way. Hi, my name is David. Why are you sitting alone? And remember you have to let it know that it's create okay, I think I have a template here. Mm-hmm. Then you paste it that way. Then underneath you make sure you tell AI that you want in Nigerian. The speech should be in a Nigerian English. Okay, so let's try that. to give us. Sometimes this actually, what happens sometimes is probably sometimes if YouTube is misbehaving or network issue, sometimes it might bring error. So when it brings error, what you just have to do is you can give it about a minute or two, close the whole YouTube thing, close it, come back again, you type, don't continue, cancel everything, then paste it back, then do it again. If it's repeating the same thing, just close for about 5 minutes, just leave it, and come back. It will give you your, don't worry, it works. Like it works perfectly. I'm a living testimony, don't worry, it works. So I think yeah, we're done. So
Hi, my name is David. Why are you sitting alone?
okay.
Hi,
So
my name is David.
we're going to okay,
Why are you
forget
sitting
why you're
alone?
sitting alone. But can you see
Hi, my name is
it
David.
gave us something really cute.
Why are you
Like
sitting
you
alone?
can create more than
Hi,
20 videos,
my name is
30
David.
videos or free.
Why are you
Like
sitting
using
alone?
this YouTube
Hi, my
shorts
name is David.
for free that
Why
Grok
are
will
you
be
sitting
telling you to
alone?
subscribe for $30. So if you
Hi,
don't have money for
my name is
$30, use
David.
this. What you just have to just be you need just need to
Why
calm
are
down.
you sitting
If you
alone?
can calm down, you can create multiple
Hi,
over and
my
over and
name is
over and
David.
over again. Do you understand? So after this one, just save that one. Go to your next script. My name is David Wyston. And then you change it back and you be like, today, then you know the trick I taught you, be like, oh, today, the poor looking boy, and no one wants to play with me.
Why are you sitting
So you can
alone?
use this to create any amount of video that you
Hi,
like over and over
my
and
name
over
is
again.
David.
But YouTube has one issue. If
Why are
it's a
you sitting
content that has
alone?
been people has been creating over and over
Hi,
again, it will not
my
generate
name is
video for you.
David.
So what you just have to do, you just have to be creative
Why are you
while
sitting alone?
creating your content, and also
Hi,
make sure
my name is David.
you are using like your
Why are
own
you sitting
creativity.
alone?
And if it's bringing error, like I
Hi,
said earlier,
my
error
name
over
is
and over
David.
time, just close it back
Why
and
are you
do it
sitting
again. But
alone?
if it is bringing um an option like something like this is popular, it can generate, that is AI palava. So just probably change the picture or generate another picture or generate another script, or you can just change the description that you're using, and you'll be able to create amazing videos. You can use this as well to create shorts on your YouTube channel to like to boost your views. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. It will motivate me to give you more. See, so I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.